Gloria Milimo, KTN News.
Some activists have moved to court seeking to have Inspector General of Police IG Koome leave office. The activists are unhappy over the manner he handled the recent anti-government protests.
Following a petition we sent before the National Assembly through the clerk of the National Assembly, and that petition was seeking to remove from office Inspector General of Police IG Koome for the crimes against humanity which he committed against Kenyans by illegally protected Kenyan right in the Constitution for mass action, and by illegally illegalizing mass action, he suspended the Constitution for those days of the Mandamano that led to death. So he sent the policemen not to protect life and property, but to destroy life and property of those who are demonstrating against government. You know that there are some places in Kenya where the policemen went into people's homes. They threw tear gas in people's houses. They threw tear gas in people's schools, and children were hurt and injured. So we took this petition to National Assembly so that he can be removed from office. But remember, Operation Inda Jamii had already taken IG Koome and other members of the executive, including the president, the deputy president, the minister for internal security, in ICC. But while ICC is taking time to investigate, we wanted them to remove from office because Kenyans are continued dying as we are still waiting for ICC to act. So this is a matter of urgency.
And now turning our focus to news across the globe, and Ethiopia's federal government has declared a state of emergency